Yeah. V Kills. Badman.
Jamaican. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Mega have this today. Well, Sunday dinner can be consist of anything. To them I make no rice and peas, but just gonna make some carrot and oats flour dumpling with snapper fish and steam it with some crab meat.
I'm a boss, 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 Emily Boss, Elliot Berry, Lower Rick Ross. We did ball every day like say we did for court. I done dribble jotty, cause we call it shots. All these other niggas know that they can't see with us. Riding round town with a group of shorties, killing all these rap niggas like it's nothing. Popping the bottles, popping the buzz, I know they can't stop me. Killing these niggas and killing these niggas, I know they can't stop me. I'm a boss, let 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 me. I'm a reminiscing. Why say I'm a boss, let me. 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 I'm a reminiscing. Why say I'm a boss,
they say I'm far from the toilet, but they know that I'm the shit. I'ma blow up in the spine, down on my grind, I never quit. Check my style, check my flow, lyrically they feeling me. Success is like masturbation, by my hand I make my income. For real son, I drop the kind of flow that they can't handle. It's kinda funny why the girls keep asking for my handle. See the boys flyer than them, cause me I know be novice. That kind of small boy where they give landlord quit notice.
I'm a boss, let me. 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 I'm a reminiscing. Why say I'm a boss, let me. 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 I'm a reminiscing. Why say I'm a boss, let me.
To ni ne sarki babba, in na fara lafazi, zaka ji sun ce ai ni ne oga. To no time for dole now, cause they see.
Alright, now that my dumplings are in, everything is in, I'm going to go ahead and let that boil for about 40 minutes. I'm going to give it 40 minutes, want it to cook real well. Alright, so in 40 minutes I'll come back and this will be ready to go on a plate. You can have this with just about anything. So I'll see you back in 40 minutes. There you have it, guys. I am all done. A complete meal on my table. Sunday dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. It was fast, it was easy, and it was simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Let me know where you want to see me next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.